In this video, you will learn that all about the complete guide to movement, mobility, and exercise for men over 40. It is a complete guide to the benefits of movement and exercise for men over 40 years old. The video teaches people how they can safely adopt some practices into their everyday lives. This video will also discuss the factors that affect mobility for men over 40, and what they can do to improve it. Why mobility matters more for men over 40. Mobility is the ability to move about freely and without restriction. A person's level of mobility is determined by a number of different factors, from their age to their physical attributes. It's important for all people to be as mobile as possible, but especially for older men who tend to experience a decline in mobility as they age. Men over 40 are often faced with a decrease in strength and flexibility, which makes mobility difficult for them. Yet, it doesn't have to be this way. Men over 40 can work on improving their mobility by doing some simple exercises that challenge the body in new ways. Low-impact muscle and joint mobilization exercises you can do at home. Low-impact exercises are a great way to improve mobility and range of motion. These exercises don't put too much stress on your joints, which is why they are better for those with injuries or recovering from an exercise injury. There are 3 main reasons why people should not do high-impact exercises. 1. High-impact exercises can cause injury when done repeatedly in the same session. 2. They can cause postural problems like poor posture and rounded shoulders. 3. The muscles used in high-impact activities, like running, jumping, etc., usually take longer to recover than the muscles used in low-impact activities like walking or biking. Best hip mobility exercises that will increase your flexibility immediately. This video provides the top 3 hip mobility exercises that will increase your flexibility instantly. They are designed to be simple, easy to do, and effective in relieving tight hips. Hip mobility exercises are designed to improve the range of motion in your hips. These are some of the best exercises out there for increasing your flexibility in this area. Hip mobility exercises are designed to improve the range of motion in your hips. Hip mobility exercises are crucial for anyone who wants to increase their flexibility. The following are 3 of the best hip mobility exercises that you can do at home or in the gym. 1. Ankle rotation. Start with your right foot on the ground, with your left foot off of it, so that your knee is bent, and your left shin is parallel to the ground. 2. Hamstring stretch. Lie on your back, bend one leg and place the other over it, then pull back on both legs until you feel a stretch in your hamstring. Hold for 20 seconds, then switch legs, and repeat 20 seconds each side. 3. Hip flexor stretch. Lie on one side with your bottom arm under your head for support, and use the opposite arm to pull up. How to do the simple feline stretch to help your hips move better. Stretching is an important part of the exercise routine. It helps with pain relief and injury prevention. The feline stretch is a simple hip flexor stretch that can be done by anyone. It doesn't take any special equipment or previous experience in yoga, Pilates, or any other fitness discipline. All you need to do is lie on your stomach with your arms by your side and bring one knee up towards your chest. You can then reach back with both hands to gently pull the thigh up towards you until you feel a stretch in the front of hip muscle. This should be held for 10 to 30 seconds before switching legs, and repeating for the desired number of repetitions. Muscles are what keep our joints moving. Without healthy muscles, our joints would not be able to perform their functions, such as protecting our bones. Joints provide stability and allow us to move in different directions. They enable us to sit, stand, walk or run with ease. A joint is where 2 or more bones meet. It's kind of like the hinge of a door that allows it to open and close. When we move, muscles contract, shorten, and pull on tendons that then pull on the joint to make it move. The opposite happens when we want a joint to remain stationary. The hip joint is the largest ball and socket joint in the human body. Move can help you improve your hip mobility, balance, and coordination. If you would like to learn more about this topic, please leave a comment, or click on some links below this video.
We really hope you got some value from this video. Please like it, leave a comment below, and share it with your friends. Also, if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and activate the notification bell so that you won't miss our next videos. Wellness is life. Thank you.